Hey foodies, I have come up here with a special Indian dish, Tava Chana dal puri. Now let's get started. Before that, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Place the pressure cooker on a medium flame. Add a tablespoon of oil in it. Our next ingredients are green chillies, Jeera, Hing. Wash the green chilies properly. And the main ingredient of this recipe is chana dal. Soak it 5 hours before making this recipe. Wash it properly with plain water. Now add the jeera, let it splutter, and when it becomes brown in color, then add the green chilies and the main ingredient of our recipe, that is chana dal. Slowly and properly now add the turmeric and salt as per your taste and a glass of water. Mix everything properly and pressure cook it for 5 minutes on high flame. Now it's time to make the dough for the puri. Take maida or normal flour, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, salt and a pinch of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix everything properly so that no lumps will be present and make a soft dough with the help of water and keep aside for 30 minutes. Dough has been prepared. Now it's time to check the chana dal. Open the pressure cooker and press it like this to see it has been cooked properly or not. Now put everything in a mixer jar and make a fine paste of it. You can do it in batches or at a time. See, the paste should be like this. Now it's time to make the puri. Place tawa on a medium flame. Take a small portion from the dough. Press at its edges. Now place the stuffings at its center and seal it like this. Now roll the puri with a minimum pressure, applying on it. The thickness of the puri is not so much thin and not so much thick. Roll it with gentle hands. After that, place it on tawa. Make the flame high and flip it. Now put some oil. Again flip it. Now add some oil again. Now cook it properly. It will take some time. Have patience and follow the process. Have a good taste of it. See, brown spots has come, so it has been flipped over. Press it with spatula so that it is evenly cooked from all its sides. Now take it out from the tawa and do Repeat the same process for another puri. Do serve it hot with chutney or curd.